I'm from Brazil, but I currently live in Dubai. I'm a flight attendant, and I had some time off work, so I decided to come here and do the yoga teacher training. The motivation that I had to do this course actually it was because I always liked yoga. I learned about yoga when I was 18 years old, and I fell in love with the practice. It wasn't something that I would practice so often back then, but suddenly I started being more active and, practicing more yoga. But mainly I was doing it online, and I would really like to, do it in a proper way. So I thought about having a training for yoga, but at the same time, I love yoga so much that it would be perfect to learn more about yoga and also to be able to pass the skills that I was learning to other people. So that's why I decided to come in the yoga teacher training. Um, and I was so surprised when I found out about Alpha Yoga School. To be honest, I was looking at locations all over the world. I was thinking about Bali, Nepal, India, so many options. But Alpha Yoga Teacher School was one that really catch my eyes. Not only because of the location, that it was like really special. The place here is just amazing, but also like I like the qualities of the teachers that I saw in their website and the way that the program worked. I felt like I can take a lot of baggage from all of them, from all of this teacher training course, and then finally I decided to come. I was surprised when I got here to see so many people. We have a group of about 21 people that are doing the teacher training course, and it was just amazing. Everybody saw that they are so similar to me, actually. Like they are doing like different professions. They come from all over the world, but I managed to find something in common with each one of them. I think that I changed a lot since the first day that I was here until the last day. It's amazing to see how much I've grown. There was a lot of things that they were like I knew this, but I just didn't. I just kind of forgot. Yeah, in the middle of my busy life, I kind of forgot a lot of the things, and it was kind of like remembering. Not only about yoga, but about like the philosophy part and about body awareness, and that was incredible. I also am so proud of myself right now because of Joanna. She's doing the teacher methodology, the teacher training methodology, and because of her, I I have the skills now to prepare a yoga class by myself. I'm also very glad about Martin. He's the one giving us adjustment and alignment, and this is also something incredible that with the other classes and other studios that I was looking to do the teacher training, I don't think they were offering this kind of training about the alignment and hands-on adjustments. I just think that now I'm able to actually not only guide my students through the asanas, but actually to put my hands on them and adjust them and really place them in the correct position. And this is amazing and not really offered in so many other courses. So this is like a big differential. We learned about anatomy with Evangelos, which was interesting. I think that my group were really focused on like they are really nerdy, so they were really focused on like really learning anatomy, like they're gonna become a doctors or something. But I think that Evangelos passed the information to us in a like simple way that we can actually use during our classes. So I think it was like very focused on yoga teacher, not for like a doctor, which is good, you know. We shouldn't complicate things if we don't have to. And once again, the location here is really beautiful. We have a beach like 40 meters away from the hotel. It's really nice. Yeah, and it was super easy to get here. They organized taxis for us that pick us up in the airport. Also, that's a not so fun fact actually. This year we are handling Corona. Um, you know, the world is like so worried about the Corona, and I was actually feeling very confident to come here because every student had to take the Corona virus test, and we had to prove the negative results. And then once we knew everyone is free of corona, we can do the classes without the mask. That's why it was not really so stressful, and also like we had this insurance. If someone is tested with corona, we would get the money back and things like that. So it was really, like, how can I say this, it was reassuring actually, to have this kind of reassurance, and to know that we are in a good environment and we don't have to worry about the COVID-19 for now, like it was actually something super amazing. We kind of like, after 1 week, we forgot that we are actually, because we stay in the hotel most of the time, so we don't really have to like put the mask on or worry about this. So yeah, it was really good actually, to take my mind away from this. We are in going to October now, and because I'm a flight attendant, I have been worried with Corona since January. So it's amazing to have a break from all of that. And yeah, everything was handled just very professionally regarding that and regarding the course and everything. So I think you guys should really, really go for Alpha Yoga School. They do trainings here in this location. They do other locations, longer courses, shorter courses. I don't know which one you're gonna choose, but definitely I researched all of the schools. I have access to, I could be going to any country, and I decided to come here. Thank you, and see you at the yoga teacher training.